Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make Malteser squares. I hope you're going to enjoy them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification button. Thank you. For this Malteser slice recipe you're going to need lots of chocolate. White chocolate and some crushed flakes for the topping and the milk chocolate. Some milk chocolate for the base. Golden syrup. Digestive biscuits, butter, and of course, lots of Maltesers. The first thing you need to do is put your butter into a pan, along with the first lot of chocolate. And lastly, I'm just going to put in 100 grams of golden syrup. It's easiest to do it this way rather than measuring it out and pouring it into the pan. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. There we go, 100 grams. I'm now going to put this on the hob and just let it melt gently together. While I'm waiting for everything to melt, I'm just going to smash up my digestive biscuits, and this is the satisfying bit. I put them into a plastic bag. Just keep it not too tight, because you don't, if you smash the bag and it's tight, you're just going to burst it, so you need the air to come out. I've just got it on a chopping board and a mat just to stop it being too loud on the camera, and I'm just going to... There we go. Oops, I must have a hole in the bag. Biscuit crumbs are going. There we go. And I keep doing that until I have a lovely powder. There we go. And that's it. It doesn't matter if there's some big bits. You know, you can just crush them with your hands if there's some still too big. Digestives are really easy to break up. And that's it. So digestive biscuits done. Look at that. And that's satisfying. You also need to give these a bit of a smash, not much, just a little bit, because you want some whole and some a little bit broken, just so you get that malty flavour. So I'm going to do the same with this. Oops, one's escaped, wants me to eat it. Another one's escaped. There we go, just a little bit broken. And that's it, quite satisfying really. The chocolate, butter and golden syrup all melted to a glossy sheen in this pan, and all that's left to do is to pour in the crushed digestive biscuits. There we go, get them all out. Give it a good stir. Now I'm just going to add the Maltesers. I'm just going to stir the Maltesers in until they're just coated with the digestive biscuit mixture. There we go, ready to go in the pan. All that's left to do now is to put it in my pan. I've lined this with a freeze bag that I've cut open. It makes it easier to lift out, and also when you've finished you just lift it out, cut it up, and there's no washing up. And who likes to do washing up? I certainly don't. So here goes, let's pour it in the pan. Right. I'm just pressing it round and into the tin and getting it all into the corners and getting it as reasonably flat on top as I can. You're not going to get it perfectly flat because the Maltesers. Just give it a squidge to get it flattened. And now all I'm going to do is put it in the fridge, leave it for about an hour for it to go hard, and then I'll start making the topping. The base has been in the fridge now for about an hour and it's gone all nice and hard. So all that's left to do is to decorate it. I've got some milk chocolate here and some white chocolate and some mini flakes, which I'm going to crush and sprinkle over the top once I've melted the chocolate. I'm going to do this in the microwave and it's quite simple. You just put it on for short bursts and keep taking it out and stirring it until it's all melted. It's quite an easy way to do it. I googled it because I wanted to find out if you could do it quicker than doing it over a bain-marie, and it is quicker. So here goes, let's do it in the microwave. The chocolate's all melted, so all I'm doing now is I'm going to sort of drizzle it over the milk chocolate first. Bit of a spread out. And now I'm just going to drizzle the white chocolate. Don't want to waste any of it. Now I've got a skewer here and all I'm going to do is just go through it and make some patterns between the milk and the white chocolate. And this is just Flake, and I've just crushed it in the packet. I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top to make it look pretty. Because even though this has a lot of chocolate in it, you can never have too much chocolate. Well, you probably can, but it does taste really good. And it just adds another texture and makes it look pretty. I'm just going to put this back in the fridge for about another hour and then we'll cut it into slices and have a taste. This has now been in the fridge for about an hour, so here goes. Look how easy this is. Lift it out of the tin. Tin is all nice and clean, don't need to wash it up. I'm just going to slice it now. Need to try and make them approximately the same size, because if they're not at the same size you get arguments and someone will moan that they've got a bigger piece. Right, nearly the same size. Just going to put them on the plate and then we'll have a taste. Well, that's it, my Malteser slices. These are slices. I've cut this into a little square because it's easier for me to bite into. Now let's see what they taste like. Oh God, oh nice. These are really, really yummy. I hope you're going to enjoy them. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye. Doesn't that look lovely? Yummy, 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 yummy. Do you want to clean the pan out? Flirty, flirty, flirty.
So can we remember?
Oh no!
Yes, I got that one.
You horrible little boy. She's done her bestest sitting.
She is doing her bestest sitting, and she's getting a head scratch. That's what she's getting. Yeah, I love you. Can you be quiet now? Just for a bit. And then we're
Let
done.
me just do this bit.
We're not filming all day today. No. So you can have all the fuss and attention, all you like, all day today. Is this just going to be a 5-minute video of me scratching your head?
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
Won't be any Malteser slice squares or whatever they're called.
Malteser squares and head scratches.